Folks, do you know how great it is not having to vacuum before you mop ever again? Well, that's basically what this product allows. This is the Vac Mop from Shark, and it is exactly that, a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, which is just what you need for any of your hard floors. It's just 1.5 kilograms, totally cordless, and does both of those jobs particularly well. And my wife and I purchased this about a month ago. We've been using it ever since in our busy household. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think we've got the normal vacuum out in that time to do our hard floors. It's just not been needed. And at that really light 1.5 kilogram weight, it's basically like using a feather, and it's completely no hassle and easy to grab and go. But the genius here is how the vacuum and mop actually function together. So most 2-in-1s are fairly complex and usually end up quite messy, but here the suction chamber is built straight into the pad, so there's no need to stress about things. So when you can see there's dirt or whatever that needs to be vacuumed up, you vacuum and mop it at the same time. It is that simple. And in terms of performance, at 10.8 volts, it's not going to suck the rug up, but for standard kitchen mess and whatnot, we find it performs admirably. The suction picks up the dry bits, and then the spray handle very quickly deals with any sticky stuff. And one pro tip, just make sure you move the 2-in-1 slowly over the wet patches in order to really allow the mop to do its job. Now, the only negative is Shark do include 6 of these disposable pads in the box, which is a really nice thing to have, and it's definitely going to get you started. But after that, you've got a choice, because these things, you know, they're not that cheap in the long run. That said, we found some third-party reusable ones. They work absolutely fine, and yet, of course, long term, I think they're going to be far more economical. But other than that, the Shark 2-in-1 Vac Mop has been a fantastic tool in our household. It's really coming useful already, and I can't see that's going to change now going forward. In fact, if anything happens to this, I think we'd have to get another one, because going back to vacuum, then mopping, is just something we wouldn't want to do anymore. Thank you so much for checking it out, and I'll see you again soon.